Not removing all of the old caulk before applying new caulk leads to ugly failures and shortened life for the new seal. When recaulking a bathroom, start by removing every trace of old caulk using a combination of a caulk removal tool and a plastic scraper to avoid damaging tiles or tub enamel. Dry the area completely by wiping with a towel and then letting it air for at least 30 minutes. Residual moisture prevents adhesion and causes mold to form under the new bead. Choose a high-quality silicone or silicone blend rated for bathrooms and mildew resistance rather than a cheap generic tube because material formulation matters for flexibility and longevity. Cut the caulk tube tip small for a controlled bead and apply with steady pressure while moving the gun at a constant speed, so the bead is smooth and uniform without being too thick. Tool the bead once with a firm finger or a dedicated silicone finishing tool wetted with plain water for silicone or with the manufacturer recommended tool fluid when using a special formulation, working from one end to the other to avoid dragging mess back across the seam. Allow full cure time as listed on the tube, which can be up to 24 hours before exposing the joint to water so the seal sets properly and resists shrinkage. The most common mistake is leaving old caulk in place because it prevents bonding and traps moisture. Remove everything down to a clean substrate by scoring and scraping, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol to remove residues before applying new caulk. Caulking on a wet surface causes immediate adhesion failure, so always dry with a clean towel and use a hairdryer on low heat. If tiles are cooled or damp, then wait the recommended dry time. Using soapy water or dish soap to tool silicone creates a residue that repels silicone and causes poor tooling and adhesion. Instead, use plain water for regular silicone or the product-specific tooling solution suggested by the manufacturer to get a smooth finish that bonds properly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting both groups through project listings and local search. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where people and professionals share tips and post real-world experiences about tasks like bathroom recaulking.